Well, it's Thursday, the very, very, very last day of August. And I am squeezing in a video before I scoot out of here this afternoon. So I wanted to just quickly show you, we had a yarn last year called Snowflake, and it was in 3 colors. I think it was in a blue gray, a pale mint green, and like a pale rosy pink and white. This year they've done it again, but they've gotten many more colors. So not many more, a few more colors. So I got in 3 colorways of the Snowflake by Lang. It's a nice cable construction, very fluffy. It is worsted weight, puffy worsted weight. There are 125 yards in one ball. And this is last year's model, so this is last year's color, but this hat is just 1 ball. So pretty fine. Yes, sirree, Bob. I think it's a free pattern. So we have this wonderful color, which is kind of teal and brown. I like it. Each one is $27. This one is pinks, purples. Your favorite little girl, she would love a hat made out of this, wouldn't she? As in Vivian, yes, of course. And last but not least, I love this one. You know I do. It is rainbow. It is every color you could possibly want, and it would make such a fun hat. Snowflake by Lang, $27. We sent an email out last night. We can still take some space, hopefully, at the retreat. Let us know. I think we've filled our room obligation, so that's good, but there may still be rooms left. But the sooner you do it, the better, as in today or tomorrow. That would be great, all right? We have room in the classroom for sure. So we would love to have you at Lake Junaluska at the Lambeth Hotel for our October Changing Colors retreat. It will be October 7th and 8th are the classes. You'll arrive on the 6th, spend the night. We'll have class Saturday, Sunday. If you can stay Sunday night, that'll be great. It includes all of your meals, the $350 for the class and the meals, and then you will call and register for your own room accommodations. So 2 people in a room, and the price is the same, $179 a night. So it should be a blast. I'm looking forward to it, all with Ann Weaver. Can't wait. Don't put it off. Push the button today. Go to our website, www.bellafilati.com. Go down, scroll down. You will see the Changing Colors logo. Click on that. You can book your room through there, and you can purchase the classes and the weekend. All right? All right, I'm going to go have a lovely time in the mountains. I think it is beautiful here today. Oh my gosh. Every time a storm comes through like that, it kind of washes everything away. Took all the humidity with it for a while, and we're left with a beautiful day. So anyway, lots of people are not that lucky. All right, that's it. I will see you on Tuesday. Have a lovely, lovely Labor Day weekend.